Hey there! In this lesson, we're focusing on something that can help you focus your message and visualize the shots in your video, the storyboard. And the best part is that you don't need to draw anything or be a designer. With AI, you can generate visual concepts for your video and optimize your shots even if you're short on time or perhaps feel a little short on imagination. Now, in a previous lesson, we covered how to write your script using AI while keeping your 3 Ps in mind. Remember? People, platform, and purpose. Now, it's important to always write in your own tone of voice so your message stays authentic and truly connects with your audience. Now, once you've written your script, it's time to turn it into a visual plan. In this lesson, I'll use 2 tools, ChatGPT, I use ChatGPT 4.0, and Canva. Let's start with ChatGPT. The first step is to upload your script or paste it into the chat. Then tell ChatGPT you want help creating a visual storyboard. Here's an example prompt you can use, but of course, adjust this to your tone, your audience, and your company's style. Ask for visual ideas that support the script, help clarify the message, and define the type of look and feel you're aiming for. Ask to include suggestions for each scene and the type of shot. And you can ask for any tips for keeping the branding consistent, such as brand colors, fonts, and tone. Now, don't forget to also add information about your company, your 3 Ps, people, platform, and your purpose. Once ChatGPT gives you your storyboard, go through it and fine-tune it. Change any parts that maybe feel too generic or off-brand. Add specific names, words, examples, ideas, or a tone of voice that makes it truly yours. Want to make it more visual? You can ask ChatGPT for help with that too. I'm going to show you 2 different ways to turn your storyboard visual with the help of ChatGPT. The first option is to visualize each shot with the help of ChatGPT. Here's an example prompt. I'm asking for a pencil sketch style drawing, but of course you can also ask for a photorealistic picture or a cartoon style image, anything that fits your message best. Then try to describe the scene in as much detail as you can. Now keep in mind that the more details you give ChatGPT, the better the image. What type of shot are you looking for? Where's the camera? Right in front? Above? Below? Is it a long, wide, or a close-up shot? What's the main topic and how is it filmed? Is there movement? What's the role of light? And what do you see in the background? ChatGPT will generate the image for you. Now, if you have feedback, just ask ChatGPT for the desired changes. And you can also ask for the exact size of the canvas and the type of image output, such as PNG or JPEG, and even ask for specific colors with color numbers. Simply ask ChatGPT to turn your idea into a visual storyboard. Ask for a slide-by-slide or scene-by-scene visual representation of the video. You can ask for a brief description of the visual for each scene, suggest camera angles, and notes on visual elements. Again, be specific here. The more details on shots you can add, the better the outcome. So if you have time, be as specific as you can on camera angles, background settings, and branding tips. As you can see, sometimes ChatGPT does well, and sometimes the outcome is not exactly perfect. As always, you can chat with ChatGPT and fine-tune certain things like the style of the image, for example. Now, the advantage of this is that you'll instantly have a storyboard to share with a generic visual idea. The downside is that it might be difficult changing the individual images in your storyboard. Now, of course, you can use ChatGPT in combination with image generation tools like Midjourney, Kling, or DALL-E. I'm going to show you how to create a visual storyboard in Canva. Whether you want to enhance your existing storyboard or build a brand new one from scratch in Canva, I'll walk you through the process step by step. I'm going to show you 2 ways you can use Canva to create a visual storyboard using AI tools. First, how to edit an existing storyboard you created with ChatGPT, for example. And secondly, how to use Canva templates to create storyboards in minutes. First, let's edit the existing storyboard you created with ChatGPT. Perhaps the words didn't quite come out right, or you want to take out certain visual elements, or you would like to change the text, for example. Simply start a new project, upload your storyboard, tap Edit, and select Magic Erase to delete parts of the image that didn't turn out as well. Then, if you want, you can even add your own elements, such as your own pictures or text, to personalize the storyboard. Now, the second way to create a visual storyboard, creating one from scratch. Start at the homepage and search for storyboard or presentation templates. You'll find many slide-based formats that work great for video planning. Once you've selected a layout, tap Use this template. A new project will be opened. You can then add your script, scene descriptions, and visuals. Want AI to help with those visuals? Go to Apps on the left, then find the app Text to Image, and once you've opened it, type a short prompt. Canva will generate visuals you can drag right into your storyboard. You can also upload screenshots or images you took yourself. Simply go to Uploads and upload your own images. And since we're working in Canva, if you're a pro user, don't forget to use your brand kit, which you can find on the left sidebar, which will make it very easy for the fonts, colors, and logo to automatically match with your design. And that's it. Different ways to use AI tools to create a visual storyboard for your video. Whether you prefer to start in ChatGPT and turn your text into a visual plan, begin directly in Canva with a slide-by-slide storyboard, or combine these two, these tools can help you move from script to screen with ease. No drawing skills needed, just a few AI tools, and of course, your creative input. Are you ready to build your own storyboard?